Okay, when multiplying fractions, we need to remember that we're actually trying to find a piece of a piece. So in number 1/7 of 14, we're going to model this by drawing. So I drew 14 little red boxes here, as you see, and then I'm going to put them in groups of 7, as said right there. So I did that by drawing the blue box around them. And when we do that evenly, you can see that we end up with 2 in each box. So 1/7 of 14 equals 2. Now, if we do the same thing here for 3/7 of 14, we have the same red boxes that we drew, okay? And we need 3 sets. So if we do 3 sets, you can see we have 2, 4, 6 boxes in the set of 14, which makes 3/7 of 14 equal 6. Now, can you do the modeling for 25 times 1/5 or 25 times 4/5? You try that on your own.